How many years is Elisa Perfumes in Dubai?
Since 2005.
Since 2005. 330 dirhams. 145.
49 after
Yeah.
discount 335.
Kung magkano may bibigyan nila na good price. Only at Elisa Perfumes. Hi guys! Welcome back again to my channel. Lois Mav here. For today's video, let's go shopping perfumes.
Wow.
Let's go to Elisa Perfumes. So, I'll start my journey here at ADCB Metro Station. So, dito ako sa ADCB Metro Station. Nag-aantay ng bus. Ayan, ang waiting shed dito sa bus stop na to ay may aircon. Kahit mainit, go, go, go! At eto na yung bus na sasakyan ko, C26. So, ayun guys, ito yung third stop, Karama Post Office. Dito ako bumaba, papunta dun sa Elisa Perfumes. Masyado pang maaga guys, aantayin ko yung opening na 10 o'clock. So, standby muna ako. Central Post Office bus stop. Nakikita niyo naman guys, ang waiting area dito sa bus stop is naka-aircon. Ayan, yan siya. So, ayun guys. Ito na yung shop. Let's go. Siyempre, ang umbrella. Kita niyo yung mga magagandang bus dito guys sa Dubai. Yes. Yan, sunod-sunod na yung bus. So, ayan, nasa harap lang siya ng Karama Post Office. At maglalakad tayo, tatagid tayo sa kabilang street. Ayan guys, may stoplight. Tatagid tayo dun sa kabilang building. Buti na lang mahangin guys. It's 10 o'clock in the morning. Tama-tama. Opening mismo ng shop. Nandun ako. Pupunta ang tao. Makakapag-video ko ng maayos. Nandito na ako guys sa location ng Elisa Perfumes. Sa tapat lang ng Baskin & Robbins na yan. Inside. Good morning. So, good, thank you. May Chanel, Carolina Herrera, Armani, Roberto Cavalli, Estée Lauder, Montblanc, Dunhill, Givenchy. Ooh. So here guys, yung mga perfumes nila, it's affordable and authentic po. Ang dami yung pagpipilian dito guys. Ayan. Itutur ko muna kayo guys. Isa-isa natin ang mga perfumes na kanilang binibenta. Okay? So, here, ayan, hindi ko masyadong familiar. May Adidas. Ayan, merong hot and cold for only 15 dirhams. Yan. Benetton. How much is the Benetton? 40 dirhams. Ayan. Ang mumura ng perfume nila, guys. Victoria's Secret. Meron silang Guess. Okay. Maloka kayo dito, guys. Ang daming perfume. Mura lang. Ayan. Mga oud scent. Which one is your best seller here? So many perfumes. So, eto pang babae mga pabango, guys. Under 100 dirhams. Ayan, my Calvin Klein only 70. Escape 85. Wow. Guess Girl Cabotin only 45. Davidoff. Oops. Ayan. 75 lang siya. Versace woman. Napakamura dito, guys. Let's go naman sa men's perfumes. Under 100. Ferrari. Ayan, may Calvin Klein. May CK free. 65 lang. Clinique Happy. 80 dirhams. Oh. So guys, kung gusto niyo naman ng pangregalo, eto, mga mura lang, 20 dirhams, 25. May 25 dito. Maloka. This section, we have also here Arabica scents, mga oud. Oh, ang dami, guys, ang daming perfume. Ito din, mga affordables lang, 35 dirhams. Ayan. Pili na kayo, guys. Pampasalubong. Yeah. Eto. What is this perfumes here?
These are branded perfume oils.
Oils. Oh, ayan, guys. Mga oils naman siya. So they will buy it like per
6 ml,
6 ml. This one, yeah? These are the sizes, yeah?
These are the sizes.
So guys, eto papakita ko naman sa inyo yung mga oil perfumes nila. If I like some scent there, and these are the sizes, yeah?
This is the size.
Yeah. Can you tell me how much are the prices,
This one,
just in case?
60 ml,
60 ml?
85 dirham.
85
This
dirhams.
is 24 ml, it's 40 dirham.
Okay.
This one 25, it's like a French bottle, it's 25 also.
Oh, okay. So,
And this one 12 ml, and this one also 6 ml, this is normal bottle. It's 20 dirham, and this is 10 dirham.
oh,
and
so
this
that's good, no?
Yeah,
So
this is
it's
small
like
size, it's easy to
small
carry.
sizes. You can just pick
Yeah,
what
yeah,
you like
yeah.
for 10 dirhams,
10
guys.
And this is our one product. It's like come this.
So if I'll buy this one
Yeah, it's put it here with box.
with the box for 10 dirhams,
No,
you...
this one only.
Which
this
one?
size. It's
Okay, so
20
this is
dirham.
25, yeah?
No, it's with box is 30 dirham.
30 dirhams.
Only 30
Oh, okay, that's clear.
Yes.
So, ayan, guys. Let's go naman dito sa kanilang... What do you call this again?
It's a bakur burner.
Bakur burner, yeah. So, sa mga kababayan dyan na mahilig sa bakur scent, let's see kung anong ma-explain niya dito. So, yes,
This
tell
is a
me.
bakur burner, and this is a coal. It's called coal.
Mhm.
I just fired this one.
So, we have to buy it separate, right? The
Separate,
coal, yeah.
yeah.
Ayan. So, iba-ibang klase ng mga bakur sila, guys. Ayan. So,
Now
that
it's
is
burning.
coal only, right?
Bakur,
This is
and
the
this is the
perfume.
bakur, bakur.
Yeah,
This is
that's
the
the
bakur
bakur now.
now.
Yeah. Okay. That makes the scent, right?
Yeah,
This
makes
one.
sense.
I have, but I'm not using at home.
Use it, it's really good.
Yeah, I have.
Because we do in evening time actually.
Yeah,
That
this-
time it's very customers are there, so they're asking which is that.
Yes.
So easy to sell actually.
Yes. Mm. I like also this kind of scent.
Yeah,
What
this
do you
is-
call that
this is the
scent?
one. Bahur.
So ito yun guys, yung naamoy ko.
Yeah,
And how much is this?
This one only 35 dirham.
But it's a lot, right, in the package?
yeah.
This is the...
This is the one.
Oh, ito pala guys. Ito yung box, tapos ito yung... Can you open it? Yeah. Ayan lang naman yan guys. Okay? That's it. Yeah. At ito, very unique. Kasi, syempre, famous ang museum. Can you open it? I don't want to damage
It's
it.
like some
Yeah.
magnet.
Yes. So, can you show me also this one for car? Ayun guys, sa may mga sasakyan. Yeah,
Only
ilalagay.
20 dirham.
This one, 20
oil.
dirhams.
Yeah, with oil.
Only the container,
Yes.
without the perfume.
Yes.
Without the perfume. So, if it's with the perfume, that oil perfume, how much is it?
With oil perfume, it's 20 dirham.
Oh, so Best Buy guys, only 20 dirhams with perfume. Ihang mo lang to sa iyong car. So here's the branded items, right? Hugo Boss,
All branded.
yeah, Burberry. Ayan guys, mahilig sa branded perfume. Versace. So dyan sa aking mga kababayan natin, ito yung mga famous brands na binibili dito sa Elisa Perfumes. How many years is Elisa Perfumes in Dubai?
Since 2005.
Since 2005. So, ito yun guys, yung mga famous brands na binibili ng mga kabayan. Bulgari, Versace, yan, Victoria Bombshell, Prada, Nina Ricci, Clinic Happy, yeah, I tried the Clinic Happy. Escada. Oh, this is 188.
But after discount, 130.
130 after discount. Yes. I want to check. This is Clinic Happy for 80 dirhams. 248 Nina Ricci. 180. Okay. Ayan na. Sinasabi na nila yung discount, guys. This one, Narcisse. Oh, this is big one. 482. How much after discount?
This is 150 ml. Check.
Yeah, it's a huge one. 360. This is for 360, guys. This one, I'm sure Kabayan always buy.
Yes.
Victoria Bombshell.
And this one, 390. Prada Prada.
390.
Yeah.
And this one, Victoria,
290.
290 after discount. Anyway, guys, meron silang discounts dito. Kaya, tanungin nyo na lang kung magkano may bibigyan nila na good price. Only at Elisa Perfumes. And they have also this. Ayan, atomizers. This is for how much?
10 dirham.
10 dirhams.
5 ml.
5
5
ml,
ml,
10 dirhams. Okay? And, eto, papakita niya sa atin kung paano ilagay yung perfume sa atomizer.
Just remove the nozzles. And the
Okay.
pump is below is here. Like you pump it now.
Yeah.
60
Like you
times,
spray.
yeah.
Ah, okay.
Like this. Like pump this and just fill it here.
Okay. That's good.
One fill,
Yeah.
60 sprays is out. 60 sprays.
So I can pick my own perfume?
Yes.
Yeah.
And then I'll do this,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Okay, that's clear, guys. Ayan. Sa mga perfumes nyo, pwede nyo gamitin. Tatanggalin nyo lang itong, ano niya, pinaka pang spray para i-pump nyo lang to. Later, I will do it, I'll have like this at later.
Sure.
Yeah. Oh, the other one. The class one. Ito, guys. Kung medyo classic ka, yes. And this one is for how much?
This one 25.
25. Can you remove it? How they will refill
And
it?
it's a 10 ml also. Not 5, it's 10 ml.
10 ml. But how they will refill it?
Just remove the bottle.
Yes.
This one also remove. Yeah. It's like
Like that. But I prefer this one is
this.
easy.
Yes, easy to carry.
Yeah,
and
this
easy
is
to pump also.
easy to refill.
Helpful, yes.
Yeah. Because it's like when you spray, but
But they
it
have
looks
different-
nice. Yeah.
There is a different spray I don't have right now, so you have to put on that one.
Oh, yeah.
Then use this. Very easy
Okay, it's
to.
like
Very easy.
Yeah.
Yeah, I will check later.
Sure.
So that's all guys for this atomizer. Ayan, in different colors. Meron silang reds. Yan. Kung anong choice mo. Oh, this color is nice. I like the color. Purple. Green. Ayan, black. I like this one. Yeah. And guys, meron silang kids collection dito. Disney products. All from Spain. Ayan. And how much is it? This is super. How much? Oh, see? 20 dirhams lang.
Body mist and perfume.
This one. Body mist and perfume. Meron din silang eto. Can you show me this? Can you open it? Yeah. Ayan, cute oh. This is nice for birthday gifts. Real Madrid. If your son is Real Madrid fan, this is a nice gift too. Princess. Yes. Oh, the toilet pa siya. Ayan. Cute. Dora the Explorer. See. This is really nice. 25. So, tingnan natin guys yung loob ng gift set. So, this is what's inside. Meron silang pouch. Yeah.
body mist and perfume.
May kasama ng body mist at saka perfume. It's a nice one. Yeah. It's cute. I like it. Meron din silang Spider-Man, Hello Kitty. Oh, nice. Now I have ideas what to buy for a gift. And how much is the gift set?
50 dirham.
Oh, yeah, it's affordable too. See, meron din silang Barbie. Ayan, ito din kasama sa kanilang gift set for kids. Hello Kitty. And how much is this, the Hello Kitty?
50 also.
50. All it's 50
Yeah.
for the gift set. What is this?
This one
Canister
inside,
only.
perfume. Yeah.
It's only a canister or there's a perfume?
The perfume only.
Oh, it's cute. And how much is it?
This one 65.
65 for Hello Kitty. It's nice for gifting. Yeah. Yeah, may mga deodorant din sila dito guys for only 15 dirhams. Which brand? Nike. Ayan. Ito may 10 dirhams lang. So guys, ito yung Dolce Gabbana. Yeah. I really love that scent. It's only 130 dirhams. Yeah. Another sweet note, guys. Coach Wild Rose. Nagugulan ako, guys, kung anong bibiling ko dyan sa mga napakadaming perfumes. And here's another sweet note. Yeah, Dolce. Yeah. How much is it?
160.
160. Yan, meron din silang Good Girl blush. And how much is it after the
The discount.
yeah, after discount?
335.
335.
This is our retail price 449. After
Yeah.
discount 335.
Oh. Ayan guys, 335 na lang siya. I like it.
It's Burberry Brit.
Yeah, this is also good, guys. Burberry Brit. Sure.
This one tester 120.
120. Yeah. How become...
This is 260.
Oh, yeah, this is YSL, guys, for 260. Libre. You know, in Philippines, what does it mean? Free.
Okay.
So, this is mine now, guys. Libre. Yeah. Sarap na amoy, guys. God. Nakaka-addict. Sorry naman. Sarap amoy-amoyin. Let's see the Versace. I like also the scent. So, 145, yeah?
Yes, 90 ml.
Yeah. It's a refreshing smell. Ito yung mga nataray ko, guys. At the best sa akin is this one. I love the scent of this. Yeah. At my first choice, ito. Ngayon, second choice ko na siya.
200.
So, this one, yes. Kenzo for 200 dirhams, guys.
And tester we have also.
Tester, yeah.
Tester only 85.
85. Okay.
This was 50 ml size. That is 100 ml.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Daming perfume, guys. Meron din silang Emperor brand dito, guys. It's made in UAE. Yes, Emperor. French and Arabic mixed. Let me see. This is the testers. Okay, I'll try the testers. And it's only 50 dirhams too. Oh, this one, it's light blue?
Similar, yeah, like this.
Yeah, can I check? Oh, guys, check natin tong. Oh, I love this. Oh, sorry, guys. I love it. I really like that sweet scent. And Sky Girl.
This one same like a good girl, Italian and a good girl.
Yes, yes. Let's see, guys. Let's. Only for 35. Wait. Yeah, only for 35. Di ko mabuksan. So, guys, meron silang ditong offer. Ito, it's 50 dirhams each. Pero kung gusto mong bumili ng tatlo, 100 dirhams na lang siya. Ito yung kanyang... Where's the open one? Sorry, yeah. Yeah, ayan. Diba? Yeah. Yan. Can I smell too? Glamour flower. Yeah, same,
like a
same,
Kenzo.
yeah,
Same
same,
Kenzo.
yeah, same like Kenzo. And this one, can I smell that? Because I have the red one, that's why I know it's same. The purple I don't have, so I think you have the open one, no?
Yes.
Yeah.
It's a little bit floral, chocolatey, sweet.
I prefer this one.
This is the better one.
Yeah, I still go back to that. Yeah. So, mas prefer ko to, guys. Ayan. So, 3-4, 100 dirhams. Yeah. Pero kung isa lang bibili mo, 50 dirhams siya.
Picture level.
So that's it, guys, for my shopping here at Elisa Perfumes. Ang bango-bango ko. Daming perfume na na-try ko. If you want to shop for perfumes, go for it. guys. Diyan na kayo sa Alisa. Daming mura. So, ayun guys, uwi na ako. As usual, magbabas tayo at the train. So, ang way pabalik guys, hinahanap ko actually kung saan yung bus stop. Okay, going back to ADCB Metro Station. Kasi opposite to ng Karama Post Office. So, ayan yung Karama Post Office guys. Oh, yun. Ayun guys. Dito sa side na to, parang walang aircon ang waiting area. So, andito na ako guys sa bus stop. Central Post Office 1 bus stop. Okay, alin kaya dito yung pupunta ng ADCB Metro Station. Ayan. Medyo walang tao ngayon guys. Kanina, madaming tao. Hindi daw makapag-video. Ayan, nakarating na ako dito sa ADCB Metro Station. That's all for my video today, guys. I hope you like watching it. See you soon in my next video. Bye!